Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about a revolutionary AI and educational tool designed to help students of all ages and levels of education. We will share with you a powerful and innovative app designed to make essay writing with a click of a button. Introducing Schoolhack.ai. Schoolhack.ai is a mobile app that can help you to write essays, articles, or journals easily. The app is powered by ChatGPT 3 and can write an essay on any subject in seconds. It can also paraphrase written essays and even check them for plagiarism. It can be used for free and it is available on iPhones and Androids, which can be downloaded in their respective app stores. Let's see how the app is used. This here is how the app looks on an Android phone. We asked the app to write about sustainable intensification and this is what we got. We also told it to paraphrase the essay and check for plagiarism as well. We also instructed it to write about the effects of climate change, and here is what we got. The written essays can be copied, shared, or sent to an email address. The app has the ability to answer general queries quickly and easily, saving students valuable time that they can use to focus on other aspects of their studies. Schoolhack covers every curriculum on Earth from the secondary school level up to university. The link to the app and website is in the description. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. We hope you have found this video very helpful and informative. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Till next time.